Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to put two sponges in the washing machine drawer. There is a really good reason for this, which not many housewives pay attention to. The fact is that after each wash, washing powder, washing gel or fabric softener may remain in the compartments. Water is also poured here, and if your water is not of particularly good quality, then plaque and rust will remain on the drawer. It is not always possible to take the drawer out of the washing machine. Some people have it broken, others just can't do it. So now I will show you a simple way to clean it without taking it out of the compartment and what sponges are for. Take a sponge, pre-wet it with water so that it is damp, and pour vinegar on the sponge. The sponge should be well soaked. Place a sponge soaked in vinegar in one of the drawer compartments with the soft side down. The sponge should be placed exactly on the spot where you have accumulated plaque or detergent residue. If your compartment is really dirty and you see that one sponge is not enough, take another one and cut off a piece from it. The fabric softener compartment is often the smallest, so either place a small sponge in there or simply fill it with vinegar to the maximum line. Now close the drawer and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. When time passes, open the drawer, take out the sponges and wipe the compartments with them. Wipe with the soft side so that there are no scratches on the plastic. Rust, water and detergent stains will be easy to clean, and you will notice that the drawer will become really cleaner. Another thing to pay attention to is the compartment where the drawer is inserted. Many housewives, when they take out the drawer, very often find water deposits and mold there. Of course, you won't be able to clean this compartment well without removing the drawer, but it still needs to be cleaned. To do this, pour some vinegar into a small container, dip a toothbrush in it, and try to clean all the nozzles through which water is poured into the washing machine as much as possible. After such cleaning, turn on the washing machine in the rinse mode to rinse everything well and remove any remaining vinegar. If you want, you can take the drawer out of the compartment. To do this, you need to gently press on the center. Now you can clean it with vinegar if it is not very dirty. A very dirty drawer can be soaked in a solution of vinegar and water or with citric acid. After cleaning, rinse the drawer with water. To clean the compartment in your washing machine, use vinegar and a toothbrush. Next, spray it with water from a spray bottle. This will help you wash everything off better. Then put the drawer back in place and turn on the washing machine in rinse mode. Here is the result. As you can see, everything is washed, and now there is no plaque, dirt or mold in the compartment. The drawer, as you can see, is also perfectly clean. Use this advice if you can get a drawer. If not, then put sponges soaked in vinegar in the compartments. I hope you liked these tips. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.